Apple is reportedly dropping the home button that has existed ever since its inception from iPhone's 2017 model. Rather than having a home button, the 2017 version of the phone will have one long sheet of glass screen. Although the size of the phone is likely to remain the same, this change is part of a major design haul, as this is not the only change Apple is bringing to iPhone. 2017 iPhone will mark 10th anniversary of Apple's iconic device and is expected to bring with it a new premium series of the phone that might also contain curved screen. Meanwhile, the iPhone 7, expected to be launched in early September, will likely feature an LCD panel while replacing the headphone jack with a Lightning port. It will also contain 2 rear cameras, and an increased RAM of up to 3 GB. While the iPhone 7 will include minimal upgrades, Apple is rumored to have a major design overhaul for its 2017 iPhone. So you might want to wait for next year's iPhone. Thanks for watching. For more videos please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care.